Hey, it's Reed here from Doylestown Auto Repair. Today I have a 2006 Audi A6. The car doesn't start, the wheel doesn't unlock when you put the key in. The only thing that lights up is the MMI for the navigation in the radio. You got the odometer, but none of the gauges work. And you can't get the car out of park. So to tow it, the tow truck driver would have to drag it up on the tow truck. What we normally do with these, this car pretty much needs a steering column and an access start module. What we usually do to get these started, if you take the lap panel off underneath, you just need an 8mm socket to take the screws out. You take the lap panel off, and if you look up underneath, there's a relay up here above the one that says 643. It's hard to see. I took the cover off it. But it's the gray relay in the upper left hand corner. You can either pop the cover off the relay and put the relay back in. That way you can just squeeze the contacts on the relay, or you can just jump the two large terminals with the jumper wire. And when you jump those, all you got to do is hit the brake pedal with the key on, and you can get the car out of park. That's pretty much the easiest way to get it out of park. Sometimes when you jump it, the steering column lock will come back to life and you'll be able to start the car and drive it. But a lot of times it just needs a new steering column, because on the Passats you can unbolt the steering column lock and replace it separately, but not on this car. And it's like $2 grand for the column to replace it, plus a couple hours labor.